Good morning, student of class 5. Today I am going to start the second part of chapter number 4 of computer. Our chapter heading is more formatting feature and inserting object in MS Word 2013. In previous classes we discussed about column and set of column, and now in this video we discuss our next topic in this chapter. Our next topic is page formatting. So students, if we used the any document, firstly set the page formatting. Page formatting means making changes to the setting of a page is called page formatting. The page layout tab of MS Word 2013 is used for page formatting. Students, making changes to the setting of a page is called page formatting. If we change page formatting, we go to page layout tab and then change or set page format. In page formatting option, our first setting is page margin. Page margin means it is the amount of white space between the text and edge of the page of all four sides. The default page margin in MS Word 2013 is 1 inch. Default setting of page margin in MS Word 2013 is 1 inch. To set the page margin, if you want to set the another option of page margin, we can follow this step for change the page margin. Just like we follow first step for change page margin. First step is click on the margin option. Margin option available in page set of groups in the page layout tab. Margin option present in page layout tab. So firstly go to page layout tab, then select page margin option, and now click on the predefined margin. Many predefined margins available in this area. So if you select anyone, just like this is normal page margin, call normal. In this margin, this is margin space and 1 inch margin between, margin in top is 1 inch, bottom also 1 inch, left margin also 1 inch, and right and left margin also. All sides of this page is margin 1 inch. This is default setting of page margin in MS Word 2013. And next option available here, this is called narrow margin, and top in this narrow option, top margin is 0.5 inch, and bottom to 0.5 inch, left to 0.5 inch, and right to 0.5 inch. So two option available here, and Another option also available here. And our next formatting option, page formatting option is page orientation. Page orientation means it is the property that determines the printing direction of the text. There are two directions. First direction is portrait direction and second direction is landscape direction. In MS Word 2013 by default, MS Word 2013 by default setting available portrait mode. Portrait mode means document printed along the width of the paper, and landscape means document printed along the length of the paper. To change the orientation of the page, follow these steps. First step is click on the orientation option in the page setup group. Page setup group also available in page layout tab, and we follow second step. Our second step is select the desired orientation type as portrait or landscape. This is portrait direction and this is landscape direction. So this is the second part of chapter number 4, and we will discuss in our next video in our next topic. Thank you.